Looking like Miss Thing 1.
And I'm looking like Madam President. ready for that photo shoot. Ooh, I look good in that camera. And we're about to get our photo shoot on, just doing some last finishing touches to our hair and makeup. And then we will start the photos. Get it. Okay, yeah. Looking like Miss Thing 1. And I'm looking like Madam President. Okay, photo time. Outfit change, by the way. Outfit change for her. The only thing that you won't see is our photo shoot, but we will be posting our photo shoot pics on our Instagram, so go check us out. All right, y'all. So we're at my house. Bandits. Go. I almost stepped on them. We're drinking now. Hey. And partying with Jess. Hey. So you're gonna do it like me? Yup. Jess made us drinks that are but we're drinking them. So we're deciding to chase it down with more alcohol. Yeah, we're chasing it down with a Truly. A seltzer. Is that a problem? Yeah. Yeah, again. Better pull in our subscribers so they mad if you don't. Right. Anyways, but we're gonna take the Uber downtown. I got dinero, and you know we're gonna have a good time. So you're gonna come with us and have fun. Bruh, it was costing $30 in Uber. So we had to go Lyft. We're just poor and broken. We don't want to spend money. But yeah, we're getting ready to go out to the club. We're in the bathroom right now. Oh, hold on, let me record on this one. Why? Because your phone's not lateral off. Girl, you're dumb. Your phone's not lateral, just turn sideways. We're in the bathroom right now. Someone's currently using the bathroom. So are you in the bathroom? She finished the bathroom. And we're in the club. We all fam. We all got 16-ounce drinks. Mine's filled with rum, hers and hers is filled with vodka. And we're gonna be loving the night away. Alright. That is Shantelle. And we'll see you later. Oh, word. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we made it back to Chantelle's place. that was our Valentine's Day night party vibe. This is clearly gonna come out after Valentine's Day. That was our day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. That is Shantelle.
And Shantelle.
That is Shantelle.
That's Nevaeh.
And that is Jess.
That's Jessica.
And we'll see you guys, not her, in the next video.
Have a kiss.
Oh.